our document. Okay, so we have seen that how to create the title, how to create the document, report, article, or book. Then in that book or article, how we can use the section or subsection. So let's see by the example. Okay. So if you see here, same thing I have done. Okay, nothing new from the previous slide. Okay, if you see the previous slide, entire thing is same. So I just copied that particular thing. What I'm doing here basically is, if you see the output of this particular slide, this particular code, it will not show you any section. Okay, in this document there is no section. So basically I want to add the section over here. So how to add the section? You can say backslash section, and inside this bracket you can mention the name, right? Whatever name you want to give. For example, I want to introduce the introduction section, and in this I have written, this is my first line written in the letter. Okay, whatever you want to written. So this is how we can create a section in our report. So I am taking as a report now. Okay, this is my report. I'll run this. So this first page is for the report by default structure. Then if we see here, it's mentioned as what? Point one, introduction. So one section is created, right? In the entire document, one section is created. If you want to add more section, you can add. For example, let me add. Let's say here, I'll say result. Okay, one more section. This is result section. Let's run it. Okay, so if you see here, one more section has come, result section. So this is how we can add the section in our document. So if you see any document, there will be lots of section and no subsections will be there in your paper. So this is how we can add a section in our document. Now, if we want to write anything inside that, so we have to create a subsection. So for example, let me uncomment this. So I've written one subsection. So by using subsection slash subsection, you can create a subsection inside that. So let's run this. Okay, so if you see the numbering, it's the section was 0.2. Inside that, I am writing what? Survey as a subsection. So if you see the numbering, it's coming what? 0.2, 0.2.1. So it's basically it's denoting that it's a subsection of 0.2 section. And like this only we do the numbering. Numbering. Okay, if we are writing any section inside that, if we will go over there, for example, if the section number is 1, then it will be 1.1, and the subsection will be 1.1.1. So normally here in LaTeX it will take the numbering from no automatically, and but there are the options. The way we want, we can change this numbering system. Okay, but by default it will give from its own automatically. It will give the numbers. So now suppose I want to change this style. Okay, because in no paper you will be seeing this 0.1, 0.2, that kind of numbering. Normally it's what, either it's in the Roman case or no, it's in the 1 or 2 formats, and then the normal syntax will be 1.2, 1.3 like this, and then the subsection will be 1.2, 1.1.1, 1.2.1 like this. So how we can change? I'll just go here. There is one command, renew command. Okay, the section. Yeah.
So how can we add a subsection to the subsection?
There is a one option, subsection. Subsection. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
See here. Yeah, so there are lots of things are there. You just go through this particular station, and then there are lots of things are available. Even in the subsection also we can add one more section, right? So like that, there are lots of levels are there. 4, 5 up to 4, 5 levels we can go in that. Clear? Okay. So later you can practice that. But normally whenever we write any papers and all, we normally have the section and then we have the subsection. So we don't go much deeper, right? And the subsection may not also work for paper, okay, but it will work for article and it will work for book. So that, like this restriction will also be there. Okay, now I want to change this. So what I'll do, I'll run this. So if you see here, it got now Arabic, this thing, and then 1 and 2 and 3, the numbering is changed. And if you see here, the subsection, the section was 2. So now the subsection is what? 2.1. So I hope this thing is clear. What was my intention to tell you how to create this report. Second thing, how you can create inside that section and then a subsection to that particular report. And it's not only the one or two this kind of numbering system is there. Later we'll be seeing in this particular session, okay, how to change to different numbering styles. But here there is an option